One students. Next, discuss the n queens problem. That is 4 queens problem or 8 queens problem. Okay. See, the problem statement is to place the 4 queens on 4 by 4 chessboard such that no 2 queens are can attack. That means no 2 queens can be available of the same row, same column and same diagonal. Okay. Let the queens are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. All solutions to the 4 queens problem can be represented as a tuple, that is x1, x2, x3, x4, where xi is the column number on which queen I is placed to the solution space consisting of 4 factorial tuples, that is 1 to 4 factorial 24. Okay, so all the possible solutions is places are the represented in the form of tree representation. Define the different type of state space trees. Such a tree is called as a permutation tree. So the edges are labeled by possible values of xi. So the accuracy constraints are to select the values of xi from the set, and implicity constraints are to select the tuples of xi to satisfy the conditions no two queens cannot be attacked. Okay, so this is the main theme of can apply the n-queens problem is the queen will be same, not assigned same row, same column and same diagonal. Okay, that is the main condition of the particular performed to the backtracking in 8 pins problem. Okay, so here we are reaching to the 4 pins problem, that is 4 by 4 chessboard. See, it is a 4 by 4 chessboard. First of all, we have to assign the one queen on here. Don't place on the same row, same column, same diagonal. You cannot place the second queen in the same row, same column and same diagonal. Okay, and here there is no place, no and here. Now you can place the second queen in the place here. Place the second queen on these places. Okay, and also same row, same diagonals not assigned. And here, if there is no place to assign the third row and column, okay, so whenever we have to assign to on here, if there is no place on third row, okay, in that way we can change the second queen to the another place. Now the second queen will be placed on here. Okay, then it is the place of in third. See here, now assign third on this place. Okay, so whenever we can assign the queens in same row, same diagonal and same columns. Okay, now if there is no path between assigned to the 4, in that way we can go from the back, that is backtracking, then change the first pin to the another place. So here now we have changed the first pin onto the same place. Okay, now check it, same row, same column, same diagonal. So now there is the place of on here. So the second pin will be placed on here. Okay, see, second pin will assign to the 2 4. Okay, then go from the third one, so it will be available in the place of on here. Okay, and fourth will be placed on here. So that is the places will be 2, 4, 1, 3. So the 4 queens problem, the optimal solution is 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay. So whenever we have to assign the queens, the same row, same diagonal, same column will not assign to the another queen. So likewise, you have to perform the operation. If it is not possible, then you go from the backtrack and change the queens places, and you have to perform the operation on a n queens problem. See here, the select the tuple of xi to satisfy the condition. No two queens cannot be attacked. So that means of no two queens cannot be attacked. In that way, we can assign same row, same column, same diagonals. Okay. See here. So the problem statement is to place 4 queens on 4 by 4 chessboard such that no two queens can attack. That means no two queens can available of the same row, same column, and same diagonal. So it's the main condition of to places the queens in a chessboard. Okay, so same row, same column, and same diagonal. Okay, let the queens are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. All solutions to the 4 queens problem can be represented as a tuple, that is x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, where xi is the column number on which queen I is placed to the solution space consisting of 4 tuples. If all the possible solutions spaces are represented in the form of tree representation, defined states, that is a space tree. Such a tree is called a permutation tree. Okay, the edges are labeled by possible values of xi. Okay, so we cannot assign the same row, same column, but here there is no possible third row. In that way, we can assign change the second one place, and here, and if there is no possibility 4, in that way we can change to the first queen. So first queen placed on the here and 2, then we can select the all the places. So likewise, we have to perform the 4 queens problem. Okay. See, the solution space is 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay. See, state space tree, that means you can assign x1, x1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can go from the 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 11. That is third, fourth, or 4 or third. Okay, likewise we have to place. And x1 equal to, that is 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 25, 26, 30, 13. So here x1 will be placed into, that is the second queen will be placed into the second one, then placed into the fourth one, and placed into the first one, and placed into the third one. So it is the solution space of a 4 queens problem. See here. So 2, 4, this is here 4, 3, here 3, and 1. So 1, 2, 4, 1, 3 is the possible of the state space tree. That is 18, 29, 30, 31. That is the state space tree. Okay. And x1 equal to 3 and x1 equal to 4. So we have to perform these type of conditions. Okay. So the state space tree. What is the state space tree? So already discussed the last session. See here. Okay. So using of backtracking, can perform to the n queens problem. So whenever you did not get the solution, then go to the backtracking, apply the backtracking, we get the optimal solution from the n queens problem. Okay, these are 4 queens, and go for 8 queens. See, the 8 queens problem can be stated as place 8 queens on the 8 by 8 chessboard such that no 2 kings can attack each other. That means no 2 kings can be placed on the same row, same column and same diagonal. The permutation problem contains 8 factorial, this is 140, to pull the type of 8 queens problem. So using a backtrack, you can perform to the 8 queens problem. So this is the solution of the first 8 queens. 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 4, 8, 5. This is the one condition of the optimal solution of the 8 queens problem. That is 3, 6. That is 3 means the first queen will be placed into the third one. Second queen placed into the sixth one. Third queen placed into the second one. Fourth queen placed into the seventh. Fifth key placed into the 1. Sixth key placed into the 4th. Seventh key placed into the 8th. Eighth key will be placed into the 5th position. So likewise we have to perform the operation. But one thing, directly we cannot assign this one. First of all we have to check 1 and 2 conditions. Then after directly we can assign the third one. Okay, directly we cannot write this step. First of all we have to likewise we have to perform the first one likewise, and second king place, and that one we have to perform all the things. Then after in the final session we can write this one. Okay, directly we cannot write this one because of cannot get the marks. So in 4 queens problem the optimal solution is 2, 4, 1, 3, and 8 queens problem is 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 4, 8, 5. Okay, see algorithm, there is algorithm n queens of k comma n for I equal to 1 to n. If place k comma j, that is if x of k equal to j. If k equal to n, write x of 1 is 10, else n queens of k plus 1. So k plus 1 ante written, otherwise perform the n queens operation. Now the place of k comma j, that is for I j equal to 1 to k minus 1. If x of j equal to I or abs of x of j minus 1 greater than or equal to abs and j minus k, then return to the false and return to the true. Okay, that is place of k comma j returns a boolean value true if the k queen can be placed on ith column. That is, the complexity is big O of k minus 1. The overall complexity of time becomes big O of n square time. Okay, so it is the algorithm n queens of k comma n for I equal to 1 to n. Place k comma j, then x of k equal to j. If k equal to n, then write x of 1 is to n, else n queens of k plus 1. And algorithm place of kj, which place we have to assign? In that place we have to write an algorithm for j equal to 1 to k minus 1, if x of j equal to I or abs of x of j minus 1 greater than or equal to abs, then j minus k. Return false and return. See here, place of k comma j is written a boolean value true if then k queen can be placed on the ith column. The time complexity is big O of k minus 1. Okay, and overall computing time becomes big O of n square times. Okay, so likewise we have to perform to the n queen problem, that is 4 queens and 8 queens. So 4 queens is 2, 4, 1, 3, and 8 queens is 3, 6, 2, 7, 1, 4, 8, 5. This is the optimal solution of 8 queens problem. 2, 4, 1, 3 is the optimal solution of 4 queens problem. Okay. First of all, we have to check first row and first column and the second row and likewise. Then after we go from the this one optimal solution. Okay. Directly we cannot go the optimal solution. First of all, we have to perform this operation. Okay. This algorithm. See next. Solution for 5 kings problem. So solution of 5 kings problem, that is 5 by 5 chess, that is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4. That is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4 or 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. This is one of the solution space of the 5 kings problem. So same process we have performed maybe 5 kings, 4 kings, 8 kings, 6, 7, whatever. You can assign the basis of the pins. Okay, that is the we can assign that way we can assign n pins problem. Maximally we have to go from the 4 or 8, which rarely you can see the 5 or 7 likewise. Okay, that is, in 5 kings problem the solution is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4 or 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Okay. Next topic is sum of subset problem using of backtracking. Sum of subset problem using backtracking method. Okay, see, S equal to set S1 comma S2 and so on Sn be a set of n positive integers. Be a set of n positive integers. Then we have to find a subset whose sum is equal to the given positive integer d. It is always convenient to sort the set of elements in ascending order, that is S1 less than or equal to S2 less than or equal to and so on less than or equal to Sn. Okay. Let us rewrite a general algorithm for a sum of subset problem. See. Step 1 starts with an empty set. So whenever we have to perform a problem, we can start from an empty set. And step 2, add to the subset the next element from the list. Step 3, if the subset is having some d, then start with the subset as solution. If the subset is non-feasible, or if we have reached the end of the set, then backtrack to the subset until we find the most suitable value. Because of we cannot find that subsets cannot find the optimal solution, then we go for the backtrack, that is doing the backtracking and find the which is the most suitable value of the particular algorithm. If you have visited all the elements without finding a suitable subset, if no backtracking is possible, then start without the solution. Okay, that is, if we have visited all the elements without finding a suitable subset, if no backtracking is possible, then start without solution. Okay, so likewise we have to perform to the backtracking using of sum of subset problem. See here, that is, start with empty set. Okay, start with empty set. Next one, add to the subset the next element from the list. Add to the subset the next element from the list. Next, if the subset is having some d, then start with the subset as solution. Okay, so it will be d, then start with subset as a solution. Okay, whenever we have to get the if subset is not feasible, or if we have reached the end of the subset, then backtrack to the subset until we find the most suitable value. If not get, you can go for the backtracking, then change the values and you get the most feasible solution, the most suitable value. Okay. If subset is possible, then repeat the step 2. Which is possible, then go for the next step, that is add to the subset and next to the element and perform the operations likewise. Okay. Next, if we have visited all the elements without finding the suitable subset, so అన్ని values check చేసాం, but also cannot get the suitable subset. If no backtracking is possible, okay, if there is no backtracking is possible, then start without a solution. Okay, this is the sum of subset with the problem statement of the sum of subset. It is using to the backtracking technique. Okay. Next example. Consider a set S equal to set 5 comma 10 comma 12 comma 13 comma 15 comma 18 and D equal to 30. See, total cost, the total sum equal to 30. Okay. Okay, we discuss the example in the next class. Okay. Thank you.